Hi everybody, Ricky here. Today we're going to take a look at a pet store. So I decided to go to PetSmart and see what they have for all the dog treats and toys and teddies and see what they would like. So I went up there to look around and see all what they have and see how much more stuff they have, because obviously they're gonna have more than just a regular store like Walmart or something, because they're specialty for pets. So yeah, I decided let's go take a look at some pet stuff. So let's go get to it. And here we go, Playology 101, Crazy for Maisie, Chaël. We got some Kong footballs, some tennis balls, some pizza, ketchup, rings, toys for chewers, yeah! Got a little everything for every size dog there. Even got some rings for teething rings. Those look real cool. Toys for chewers. Some more. Got some boss bones and got them in all kinds of different shapes and sizes. Got one that's even there in like a cross pattern and all kinds. That one's got twist on it. That looks kind of cool. Toys for scent lovers. That's cool. You can like put your treat scents in there. That'll probably get them to chew on it more, give them more motivation and stuff. Got the little collapsible balls you can roll around on the ground so they'll chase them. Got a bunch of little teddies there. Toys for cuddlers. Crazy comfy. Yeah. Throw them in the pet bed with them and stuff, and got a little something of everything. Those are more of the toys that they would probably shred easy, but if they're cuddling up with them at bedtime, that'd probably be good and stuff. Or if they're just taking a nap, and got a little something of everything. So a lot of patterns and different animals and stuff. All like little colorful ones. Toys for destroyers when they're feeling feisty and they want to shred. A little octopus there, a lobster, a stingray, a lion, a crab, a shark. Got a big giant bone there. Looks like a giraffe. Got more toys for destroyers. A paw, an alligator, a hamburger, an apple. Looks like a little troll monster, a little one-eyed monster, a TV set, a beer, a planet, a chips mix, a pizza. Toys for learners. They can learn. When food's involved, guess what? They tend to learn really fast. There's some more dog tornado toy. That kind of looks cool. Classroom toys. Challenger slider. That's kind of cool. Toys for scent lovers. Yo. Got some tennis balls, some rings. That one's got rings with different shape. They got those little fuzzy ones with the rope ends on it. Toys for fetchers. Those look cool. Some frisbees. That's a tripped out looking frisbee. It's got like balls in the corners of the frisbee. Jolly pet. Got some more ropes. Toys for fetchers. That one looks like you can throw the ball and pick it up with that throw stick or something, so that kind of looks cool. Wonder what that one is with that. thing on the end of it. That's tripped out. Some more frisbees. Got a turtle there. Got a Nerf ball shooter. That is true though, they do like Nerf balls. Dogs will chase them if you just have like a Nerf ball shooter. If you have one of those. Bunch of Kong stuff. All looks pretty cool. Got some dogs, stars. Got a fox there. Got some tennis balls. Teddies. More tennis balls. Got some bones. Got some standard Kongs there. There. Those are kind of round looking. Or the standard Kongs. I guess those are the things that go in the Kongs, the little snacks and treats. Those all look cool. Yeah. Dogs are like, you talking my language now, the language of food. Pickup bags. When you want to be styling, when it's a bunch of bags of stuff you're going to throw in the trash anyways, but while you're carrying it to the dumpster or the trash can, you want it to look fancy and stuff. YZ smart cameras for pets. That's always been a good idea, you know, throw that on the dog and you get their point of view, seeing how they live their life and what they go through. Retractables. Here's all the dog leashes and stuff. The retractables are cool because they can stretch out as far as you need. You don't have to worry about winding it up. Harnesses are good, so it protects them, evenly distributes it. Those all look nice though. Got a little every different size for the pets there, and more harnesses. Got a bunch of different colors to choose from. Top paw. Who's the biggest paw of them all? Paula Balla. Dog harnesses. Yeah. So I think we're about to move on to the dog foods now. Nope. Actually, we're on the collars and leashes. Sassy Wolf. Because when your dog wants to be sassy, you might as well make it look cool like Mickey and Pluto. And of course, Minnie rocks. And let's see what else we got there. Collars and leashes. Got a bunch of colorful colors to pick. There's one even with a flower on it. And all styling for sure. Yup. That one even looks like a rope light. Give you a retro look, like make your dog look tough or something. Probably for the bigger dogs. Like, watch me hold my dog back. I got this big rope leash. And some more for the smaller pets. Smaller dogs. And see what else we got here. Got the leather and chain. So you can make them look tough again, I guess. I guess that's why they want to use leather and chain. I don't know. But let's see what else we got here. I thought this is really cool. The Arcadia Trail. So if you're going for a hike, you're just out, or you're going camping, you got all this stuff where you can take the dog on the camping trip, or even if you're just clamming it in an RV. See, like the cooling blanket during the summer, they got something to sit on and cool off while they're panting outside. So that's really cool. Got their own little stuff to drink, even a shade tent they can like relax in. Those are a good idea, you know, keep them out of the sun, keep them from getting burned. Some more harnesses and leashes. And let's see what else we got here. Some more harnesses, a canopy cot. That's cool. Even sleeping bags for dogs. That's awesome. Got some bags to carry the car accessories, and also so they can sit in the back seat and be real comfortable. Cause you know a regular seat ain't gonna keep them as comfortable as like, you know, all that cushioned up for them. So it makes them feel like they're home while they're out on the journey, riding around, discovering the land like you are, and that's fun. So got a bunch of variety, a bunch of different things where they can sit and enjoy. Now we're going to the dog aisles. Here we go. We're on with the wellness food. These all look good. Got the soft dog foods, the wet dog foods, the dry dog foods. Got some for all ages. What I like about this store is walking through it, there's just so many things to choose from since it's a specialty store for dogs. Core small breed. Yeah. Got some protein-rich nutrition to help them live their best life and long life. Got some more small breed and puppy and adults. I wonder what everybody prefers. If you prefer getting the small bag or you prefer getting the big bag. Got some more of the core ocean lamb. See what we got here. Some stew. Some more lamb, turkey stew. Some beef stew. Stewie says he likes it. Likes to feed it. You know the dog, some good stuff. Some digestive health. Some more digestive health. Keep them healthy and consistent. Some chicken stew. Got some more. There's the original, all the dry dog foods, wild game. Let's see, what else do they got? Digestive health. The wholesome grains, mini meals. Got some more tender treats. And what else? Digestive health. Got some small breed raw rev. High protein kibble. Bowl boosters. Got some joint health, heart health, immune health. Got a little, probably mix them all a little bit all together. What they need to, you know, just keep them totally healthy and stuff. And fat dogs, I guess keep them skinny. Chicken brown rice. Some potato recipe, some rice recipe. Let's see what else. Got some limited ingredients. Got some plant powered. Got some essential everyday nutrition. Let's see what else we got here. Got some duck and potatoes, sweet chicken. Some more potato and bechamel. Plant powered. We got some sweet potato recipe. Beef and brown, lamb and brown. Got chicken brown, salmon and brown. Got some beef and brown rice, lemon brown, salmon and brown, chicken, duck recipe, harvest chicken, freeze dried. That'll probably last a long time. Probably have to add water to it or something. Yeah. Well, that's the natural balance ingredients. Limited ingredients. That one's got duck in it. Frozen treats, nom nom nom, real good, yeah. Let's take a look at it. Chicken cuisine, beef mash, turkey fare, chicken cuisine, pork potluck. We got some fresh market adult beef and barley recipe man. Got some gentle cooked. Got some wild caught Alaskan pollock and got some raw wild Alaskan cut pollock again, grass-fed lamb, cage-free chicken. Got some skin and coat health mixers, cage-free chicken, real beef recipe, more chicken, more beef. Got some chicken, turkey bacon. Nom 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 nom. That's what the sign said over there. Got some tubes of meat there for the doggos. It's good to have some fresh, good stuff that's healthy for them. Mix it in with those other dog foods. Vital grain-free, fresh pet. They stuck cat recipe in there with the dog recipe stuff. That's just weird. They must have stuck it in the wrong aisle like a worker or something. Let's see what we got up here. Got some kibble. Got some real beef recipe. Some grain. Some more salmon. Some, looks like sweet potatoes and carrots. They look like some eggs, salmon, and some other stuff. Some beef recipe. We're going over here to the meal toppers. Enhance the pets recipes. Got some Simply Shreds, boosters. Some for the petite dogs. Instinct, shred cuts. Bone broth. That's good to pour on those dry dog foods, wet it, and that'll make them like it more. Skin and coat health, heart health, bear mixers. Let's see what else. Got some noodle, some pure, some turkey bone broth. You know, bones have the marrow has a lot of vitamins in it, so that's probably why they cook it into a broth, you know, and then like a liquid form, and then you pour it on that dog food and stuff, so that comes out good. Got some Instinct raw meals. Let's see what we got here. Some lamb, some beef recipe. Got some ones for the small breed doggos. Got some raw boost. Some more raw boost kibble, puppy, gut health. Got some skin and coats. Good health. Got the big giant bags. That way if you don't want to go to the store all the time. Plus you save a little bit of money. Blue Buffalo. Life protection formula. Let's see what we got there. Some chicken. Let's see. Looks like some lamb, fish. Got some more life protection. Got the wet dog foods. Got the bigger bags. Chicken and brown rice. Let's see what there. Some more chicken. Got the bacon biscuits when they've been good. chicken and brown rice. Got the lamb and rice. The Freedom Recipe Blue Buffalo. Guess that's a different part of Blue Buffalo. I don't know what the difference is though. I'd probably have to look that up or something to know the difference. But they all look good. Let's see. The basics Blue Buffalo. Got some more basics. The basics, obviously the basics probably ain't the top brand of them. Nature's Evolutionary Diet. It's funny they got all pictures of wolves on there instead of dogs. They evolved. But they still like to eat the same. Ain't that the truth? We all love food. Rocky Mountains Recipe. Wild Bits Chicken Recipe. Wild Cuts. Some chicken and whole grains. Some more chicken. Got some salmon. And the Blue Buffalo aisle is about done, so we're about to go to the next aisle and see what all they have over there. And we're heading over to the next aisle. Let's see, we got some source food, Hunter's Harvest, Fisherman's Beef Bisque. Got meal toppers. Got limited ingredient diets for the source food brand. Got a little bit of beef there again. More chicken. Got salmon and sweet potato. Got salmon and sweet potato, some grain-free, some lamb and pea recipe. Peas are chocked full of vitamins, actually. Let's see. Some more chicken. Guess there's not really much to throw in that's like all of them have, you know. Skin and coat recipe, gut recipe, hip and joint recipe. Probably just add more vitamins to it, I'd think, for the ones that are all like more the health conscious. Got some of the wet dog foods. Got some of the mix-ins. Chicken and brown rice recipe. Real deboned lamb. What we got up here? Turkey and brown rice, lamb, chicken. Got some more broths. Some more wet dog foods. Chicken and brown rice, turkey, lamb. Got the big bags. That way you don't have to make so many trips. Nature's Recipe. Got over here some grain-free. Got some chicken, barley, and brown rice. Got a lot of barley with these, looks like. Solid gold. I like the graphics on those. Those look real cool. Whole grain. Toy and small breed. Solid gold. Got some beef bone broth, nutrient boost, turkey. Got some, looks like gut health. Got some, let's see there. Looks like some ocean type I like seafood. Perfect coat. It's probably got collagen in it or something. Or some sunflower seeds or something like that, maybe. So it's got those oils in it, or fish oil. Baby blue. Jolly joints. Top form. Some more Blue Buffalo soft biscuits, training treat, baby blue, blissful belly, top coats. That's more puppy. On to Purina 1. Looks like the real turkey and Bill's doing real good. Sold a bunch of those. Large breed. The big bags again. And they got auto ship even. Crave, real beef, chicken. Got the big bags of Crave. Look like your standard ones. Farm raised lamb over there. Let's see, Nutro Max, farm raised chicken, senior dog, farm raised chicken. They say that, but the labels look like different colors. I don't know what that stands for. Probably some different grains or something. Different mixtures or flavors added to it. Nutro. Chicken and brown rice, lamb, some more large breeds, senior dog. I was telling you this was gonna be like a pretty long video walking through. This is just the dog aisle too. Like this dog aisles took up like about half the store, and the rest of it was like, you know, for all the other types of pets. You know, cats and other small animals. So, actually, dogs are the #1 pet of the world. And everybody can see why, because they're so loyal and good. Chicken and brown rice. Got some lamb recipe. Some beef. Some lamb, large breed, got some puppy chow and burgers. What dog doesn't like a burger or steak? Especially if it just came off the barbecue pit. They really love if you drop them or something. They're like, yeah, dogs are always just hoping you're gonna drop something off the barbecue pit. Got some I'm skimming coat, immune health, digestive, got some puppy growth, some IMS protective health, lamb and rice, immune health, skin and coats, active for real active dogs, mini chunks, got some of the IMS mini chunks again, large breed, healthy digestion, the wet dog food's Beneful and Cruddy bites, the medleys with a bunch of vegetables mixed together, got some choice cuts pedigree, Caesar, when in Rome. Get some Caesars. Lots of wet dog foods. Let's see what they got there. Top sirloin, that sounds good. That's what they're hoping will drop off the barbecue pit. Let's see what we got here. Picking no more. Billy and Jack, or Bill Jack. That's a funny slogan. They're picking them all. Whatever you throw in the bowl, they're gonna eat it. I don't know too many dogs that won't like eat whatever you throw in the bowl. Most of them will. But I guess there are a few picky dog eaters out there that won't just eat anything. Got some small breed adults like formula, puppy, some turkey, puppy formula, Royal Canine. Got some Chihuahua. These are all for like the exact dog breeds. That's cool as can be. Got the wet dog foods. With crosses like that, they better be like some good stuff customized for each breed, right? That's awesome though. It's tailored for what your breed of dog likes. There's the Maltese and the Pomeranians. Yeah! Woo! 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 Got Shih Tzu. That's a dog I had many moons ago. I had a Shih Tzu. Those are real good dogs. Of course, they're all good dogs, but Golden Retriever, Yorkshire Terrier. All the toy breed dogs are real cute. They like to cuddle in your lap, so that's always awesome. Joint care, weight care. That's good. Some more weight care. Digestive care. Got the bigger bags. Got the small pets. I guess these are more for the generalized ones compared to those other ones that are customized for exact breeds. That's still cool, you know. I think more brands should do that, even if it's a little more money. You know, I think people would throw down a little more money for, you know, stuff tailored for the exact breed of the dog they have. Yukonabula. I don't know how you say that. Yukanuba. Yukanuba. Oh, Yukanuba. I never heard of that brand before. Purina Pro Plan. Purina. Let's see. Under 1 year for the dogs starting out in life. For the active dogs. Got the complete. Got the Pro Plan. The more better ingredients that are in it. For the Pro Plan ones. Let's see what else. Got some of the wet dog foods. Some more of the Pro Plan. Some of the Pro Plan. Trying to see what what's on there. That one looks like it's beef, I think. Some of them are easier to read than the other ones. Usually the giant bags, you can tell what they say because the bag's so big. Complete essentials. Let's see. That one, sensitive skin, sensitive stomach. That's good. For all the dogs out there that got allergies, that's good to, you know, that they got some of the sensitive skin, sensitive stomach ones. There's some more sensitive skin, sensitive stomach ones. That way you can keep them healthy and not licking their paws. Their skin's real itchy and they got allergies. And each dog's different, so you gotta figure out what needs to be tailored to your fur baby, because they're all different, you know. More of the sensitive skin. Got the weight management there. The high protein. Small breed. Performance 30-20. Large breed. That one looks like it's got beef on it. See what else. Developmental must be the one starting out live. Performance. Got the puppet chow. Wow. Authority. Sensitive stomach and skin. Lamb and rice. Got digestive support. Salmon and rice. Authority veterinarian recommender. Salmon and rice. Some chicken, some beef. Got the wet dog foods, healthy weight, gut health, high performance, all stages of life. They got some pumpkin one there. That's different than most of the other ones I've seen. I haven't heard of Authority brand before, so I don't know if it's any good. But that's cool they got some for the hypoallergenic ones, like sensitive skin and hair and all that. Those are usually the harder dog foods to find. Multi-dog homes. I guess ones that travel around a lot. Never heard of a multi-dog home dog food. Beef and rice formula. Got the small breed. So we got there some chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. Got the mature breed for the all older dogs, 7+ years old. I like how they got the age on these too, so kind of tailor it, you know, for the different stages of life, or, you know, the nutrients each dog needs. Hill Science diet, sensitive stomach and skin. They got that too, so that's real good. Keep them healthy. Looks like they got some chicken there. Salmon and vegetable. Look like they had some stew with that one. Some more chicken. Some more chicken. Seems to be pretty standard with this brand. Perfect digestion, sensitive stomach and skin, perfect weights, Perfect weight and joint support. Chicken and barley. Some health mobility. Joint supports. Some small paws. Wonder what the small paws one is. I guess for smaller breed dogs, or it does something special for their paws. I don't know. Lot to choose from. The wet dog foods. Let's see there. Seems like I see chicken more than any of the... So I really don't see much beef on this one. Chicken does tend to be healthier than turkey though. You ever notice that? Because they're leaner cuts of meat. They keep the weight management down. That's why you see chicken in a lot of like diet foods a lot. And then that one saying even science diet. And there's one for the older dogs. Formulated. Wet dog foods. Got the larger bags there. And that's about this out. Here's some Rachel Ray Nutrish treats. Jerky style. Beef jerky for dogs. That's cool. Dogs love jerky. Got some multivitamins here that you can add to their food, keep them real healthy. Got some allergy support with occasional and seasonal allergies. Help them out if they're having problems. Some calming foods for stress support if they're stressed out. Now we're on to the rawhide aisle. Rawhide. I could chew on that for a while. Got a bunch of different ones. Rawhide rolls. Got some better belly ones. That's what I guess the brand's called. Maybe they're pork. That one's salmon. Let's see. That one's pork. That one's triple flavor. Maybe that's why some of them look different colors and stuff. They have them twist up in multi flavors. That's kind of cool. Gives them a variety of meats rolled up all into one. Collar chews, holla for the collar. Oh, it's got collagen in it. See, I'm telling you that collagen's good for skin and hair. So, I mean, people take it. Why not give it to the dogs too? A lot of the healthy stuff that's healthy for people tends to be, but you should always check first, make sure it is healthy for dogs before you give it to them. If it's people stuff. And check with the vet, of course. Collagen-rich retriever rolls. Collagen-rich ribbon flavor. Got some bully twist, choppers, dentalies, red barn, I think that's what that said. Slow roasted, gullet sticks, mix off sticks. Got some ones you could just buy out of the like a la carte, just get a little bit of, one at a time. Got the bully spring, stuffed bones. Kind of gives you an idea of what to choose. A lot of good little treats though for them to chew on. They won't be able to eat that right away. That's kind of like an after meal. Keeps their teeth healthy. Meat and jerky. True chews. Pup pepperoni. Jumping sticks. Burger turkey bites. Freeze dried. Some authority. Got some soft chews, some small bits, some Billjack, Wellness, Zooks, Minis Billjacks, Pet Botanics, Power Bites. Got some Blue Buffalo Wilderness, Milkbone Mashups, Dips. Got some little mini snacks. All these snacks are at the front too, so they can keep an eye on them. Wiggles and Wags, Churro Roll. Got some Whizmees. Those I guess are like greenies. Some soft chews. Those look like they had hearts on them. So do those brushless toothpaste ones got hearts. That one looks like a chocolate wafer. Some of your typical greenie sticks that everybody's come accustomed and used to finding everywhere. Yeah, there are a lot of really good treats in this place. I also liked taking a look at all the greenies and those other dog treats that have to clean their teeth and reward them for being real good. And seeing all the rawhide bones and the different jerkies they have for dogs, which they love those jerkies, and you can take them anywhere with you. Another thing I thought was really cool was on that one aisle that had the travel stuff for dogs to even go camping. They had their little tents and sleeping bags and all that. I thought that was cool because you can like cool them off or keep them warm in the winter time. So that's real awesome stuff too, just traveling around. So that was cool. A lot of places you can order online just with a computer, but it is fun just kind of going in the stores and just checking everything out. So even if you are going to order something online, even from the same store, I always recommend going in the store because, you can just go out in there and look in there and just, check the packaging, look at it, and actually see the product in person before you buy it. And that'll help you make a decision a lot more if you're going to buy something. Kind of like same thing, if say you were shopping for a car, you'd want to go look at it in person first before you just buy it online, have it shipped to your door or something. Because then all the features, you can just look at it on a monitor, but if you go see it in person, it's just always a billion times better. So it is fun just getting out and going in the retail stores and taking a look at everything. So I recommend that you do that at the stores. It helps keep them open too, because you might even see something you want to get that day, and then they might even be out of it online, but then the store locally, they might even have it in stock in the store. So it's kind of a fun little adventure to do and get out and do sometimes. But yeah. It would be a good idea? Fast food restaurants for dogs. I actually think it would catch on. Would be even a better idea is if you had a restaurant for humans that was fast food that was already attached to a restaurant for dogs. And then you could get it to go, you know, while you're on the go. Get the dog something healthy, get yourself something to eat, and, you know, it would be cool while you're traveling. Then you wouldn't have to spend any time opening any cans or doing any work. You would just, you know, get your doggy bag for the doggo and get your sack of fast food with your hamburger and your, you know, french fries and everything, and then just, you know, get going traveling, living the life. Just a thought though. Wow, they did really have so much cool stuff there. I enjoyed going down all the aisles and looking at all the treats and the toys and the teddies and the dog food they had. They had so many selections and all that dog food. I was like amazed at just all the aisles they had with just all that stuff, and had the hypoallergenic stuff for sensitive skin and teeth and digestion system, because there are plenty of dogs out there that do have sensitive skin and teeth and all that stuff and digestion system. So that's good that they have a good choice and selection to, you know, get the best things for your pet. And you know they're your fur baby, so you know you're going to take as good care of them as you can. You want them to have the best. You don't want to give them some, you know, bad food that's just, you know, got a bunch of filler, not good for them. You want to get the good stuff. So I thought it was good. They had a lot of good selection, and I would recommend PetSmart. I think it's a good place to shop. They did have a lot of stuff for all the other pets, like cats and rabbits and all your miscellaneous pets like ferrets and, you know, gerbils and fish and all that. But I mainly just wanted to concentrate on all the stuff for the dogs, because, you know, dogs are by far the most chosen pet of all the pets, so I figured everybody would want to see stuff about dogs. So that's why I chose to go down all those aisles and look at everything. But I enjoyed taking a walk down the aisles, looking at everything, seeing what they had, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll definitely make more in the future. And have a good day, good night, party on, get your pet some treats, get yourself some food, good food and eating, and have a good time. Yeah.